Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1962 MGA Mark II 1600 Roadster, finished in this fantastic dark, handsome shade of British Racing Green, honey tan interior, black top, 4-speed, 60-spoke wire wheels, and really lovely car. This car came in with great paint, so it just received by us a brand new interior, brand new top, new tire set. We've done some mechanical work to the engine, runs and drives great. Do a slow walk around here. Excellent body gaps and body fit. Yeah, the Mark II was the final variation of the model with a higher rear axle, well, actually a numerically lower rear axle ratio, which allowed you to cruise faster on the freeway with the engine spinning over slower. So that's a really lovely option for the Mark II model. Do a slow walk around here. Yeah, really good body work. No drama. We didn't see any rust underneath. Super good, clean, detailed undercarriage. We put a lot of time in there. Just before we purchased the car, the owner did brand new brakes. You can see they're brand new calipers. I think master, all the brakes were refreshed. Yeah, the Mark II has these signature horizontal tail lights, which I think are a lot more attractive than the 1600. The original 1600 had the tail lights fitted here, but with the Mark II, they moved them onto the inside of the cowl here. So now you have this just really pretty sculpted rear fender. But yeah, excellent straight body work, really good glossy quality dark British Racing Green paint work, 60-spoke wheels, new radial tires fitted, very good chrome. Chrome's a mixture of some replaced bits, like the grille looks brand new, the headlight rings look great, but a pretty good original used bumper, new wing mirrors, original triplex windshield we can see here, original triplex logo, windshield's in decent shape. But what makes this car absolutely beautiful is this crisp new Concours interior in honey tan. This is a moss honey tan trim kit. Even the side curtain bag you can see there. Spectacular leather seats. All the cockpit railings have been beautifully trimmed in leather. Has original show quality perfect dash, brand new steering wheel, brand new carpet kit, brand new door seals. But just a wonderfully nice, inviting interior there. Yeah, let me show you the trunk. Trunk's been all correctly painted, as is the back seat area with the brand new top that's fitted. I'll just show you while I'm in here. Yeah, completely painted soft top frame in the correct beige. Brand new Robbins soft top that fits beautifully. Brand new black. Back here you can see all correctly painted trunk with the spare wheel bag. Oh, we got that brand new trunk seal. It's gonna break in there. Yeah, we're just about done with this car. I think we got maybe a day left, but we're ensuring it drives and it's all correctly finished. Under here, Very nicely detailed 1600 engine, correct air cleaners, correctly detailed fan, correct hoses, all new water hoses, ducting. We gave this engine a full tune-up, super good engine, runs and drives great. As you can see, new brakes, chromed valve cover, which is kind of just a nice period option there. But yeah, nicely detailed engine compartment with the engine painted in the correct color. There we go. But yeah, very handsome MGA Mk2 Roadster. Very rare to find one in this handsome dark British racing green color with this honey tan leather interior, 4-speed, 60-spoke wire wheels. Recently the subject of a very nice restoration. All new cosmetics. Have a look at the undercarriage detail on this because it's super, super nice and clean underneath. Just do this final walk around. But just a super good, no stories, 1962 MGA Roadster, 1600 Mk2, fresh to the market in this exquisite color scheme. www.kurttannermotorcars.com